Good morning everyone. How are you? I am Prerna Gumbar. Hope you are safe and spending quality time with your family. Yesterday I taught you Vyanjan. Hope you have practiced them at home. Let's revise them once again.
क से कमल, ख से खरगोश, ग से गमला, घ से घर, अण खाली, च से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, झ से झंडा, य खाली, ट से टमाटर, ठ से ठठेरा, ड से डमरू, ढ से ढक्कन, अण खाली, त से तरबूज, थ से थर्मस, द से दवात, ध से धनुष, न से नल, प से पतंग, फ से फल, ब से बतख, भ से भालू, म से मछली, य से यज्ञ, र से रथ, ल से लट्टू, व से वक, श से शलगम, श से षटकोण, स से सपेरा, ह से हल, क्ष से क्षत्रिय, त्र से त्रिशूल, ज्ञ से ज्ञानी. After the revision of Vyanjan, let's do an interesting activity related to Vyanjan. For this activity, I have made some cards where I have written the same letter on two cards. Like I have cards of K, Kh, G, Gh and R. Now, for this activity, we have to turn the cards. We will not keep them in a sequence. We will shuffle the cards. Now we will turn the cards one by one and make the pair of them. First card is K. Second is Gh. Third is G. Fourth is K. Now we'll make the pair of K. Now Gh. Pair of Gh. Ana. Kh. Kh. Pair of Kh. G. Then N. Like this, we have to make the pair of all the letters. This is an interesting activity. Hope you all enjoyed this activity.
Now we will do worksheets related to Vyanjan.
First worksheet is सही वर्ण पर गोला लगाएं. We have to see the picture, recognize it and circle the first letter of that picture. First picture is of Bandar. Bandar starts from B. So we have to make a circle on B. Second picture is Jug. Third picture is Khargosh. And fourth picture is Yagya. Second worksheet is चित्र देखकर सही जोड़े बनाएं. We have to recognize the picture and match it with the first letter of that picture. First picture is Ghadi. Ghadi starts from Gh. So its first letter is Gh. So we have to match Ghadi with Gh. Second picture is Tarbooj. Third picture is Kabutar. Fourth picture is Dhanush. So we have to match all the pictures with their first letter.
Hope you like the worksheets. Practice them at home. Tomorrow I will come back with answers. Bye bye.